Welcome back to the build. I now have the material to make the side mirrors. I need to replicate this in 4mm aluminium plate. I have the geometry already set out so I can start making parts. The first bend I'm going to make is just over 90 degrees. I'm going to find out if this marine ply is going to be strong enough just to put it in the vise to get the first bend. The next bend will just be a short one, which is halfway down the mount where it attaches to the door. This bend is just going to require some brute strength. Now I need to decide how much I take off the bottom edge and what shape to make it where it mounts onto the door. I have decided to get these mirrors TIG welded together. I have reduced the material on the base of these mounts. These can be welded straight to the plates. Once they are welded together, I can either decide to leave the welds showing or I can grind it flat. holes drilled out, I can now take both doors off and I can see how I can reinforce the inside of the door skin to allow less movement for the mirror.
I have all the materials I need to get somewhere near finished on the doors, so the next job is to remove all the sound deadening, tidy up all the edges, remove any excess metal I don't need, remove any unwanted plastic clips and prepare it for some paint. I need to paint the inside of the door skin white so it matches the rest of the car. The external side I'm not worried about because it will be wrapped. Another job I can do is fabricate a sleeve that will hold the locking mechanism. This is a bit bulky and it's not required anymore. With everything stripped off the door, I can now start sanding it with 240 grit. I only want to rough up the paint so I can get some fresh primer on top. I will only paint the areas that we're showing, i.e. this area here I don't need to do anything with. Also under the door seals I don't need to spend much time, it'll just be the areas that you'll see. The next job is to cut the door card out. I'm going to make a template because it's going to be quite complicated as it's going to go around the pull lever at the top there.
need to make the cutout for the door handle. It's just going to be trial and error until I can make it look nice and it will fit. The next job is to get it bolted back onto the car so I can see where the roll cage runs. I have the extensive luggage compartments to install, plus I want to put a pull handle in built into the inside frame of the door, so I just need to see where the cage lies. I have two door nets for either side. They're very small, that's why I have two. So I think I'm going to put them like so. I could put one down there, but I think they'd be more useful up here. I will put the door pull on the left side. These door nets come with self-adhesive strips on the back. From past experience, they do not stick very well at all. So my method here is to split it apart. I can rivet the base to the door card in the place where I want it, and then carefully stringing the net back on those eyelets on this piece. It should clip straight on. The only potential issue is the rivet will be too thick and it won't clip in, but I can only try it. And I just snap the drill bit. By having the mount for the pull handle here, it means I have the internal structure of the door to bolt the handle to. I have ordered a specific colour strap like this, which is slightly smaller. Having a small loop like this, it's going to be a lot easier to pull the door to. I have just swapped the doors over. Providing this door card will fit, I can literally duplicate this piece without measuring out everything again. If I clean this piece up, I can literally draw it out onto the other sheet and it should work fine. Once again, thank you for watching the episode. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you next week.